I started working on garage doors as a teenager, and since then I kind of fell in love with working on doors and gates and fixing things and making people happy. At AMPM Door and Gate Company, we're not satisfied until the customer is satisfied. We have trained technicians and sales staff with over 25 years experience. AMPM specializes in sales, service, and repairs of all different types of doors and gates, whether it's residential or commercial. We have 24-hour trucks waiting for your call. If you need a door estimate, please call us at 1-800-286-3667, or you can reach us on the World Wide Web at ampmdoorandgate.com.